Hey there, everyone. Thank you again for purchasing CloudFunnels through my link. As part of my bonus package, I've offered to install CloudFunnels on your own server for you. So this is something that they actually charge $67 for. If you go over here on their website, I'll do it for you and save you some money if you are struggling with this and answer any questions that you have when it comes to getting this started. It should be pretty easy to set this up, but I'll make it even easier for you. So in order to do that, you're going to need to send me an email. You're going to want to send that to mike@mikefrommaine.com. So let me go ahead and put that right here. So let me put that right here for you. So that's mike@mikefrommaine.com. Just send me an email and with your server details and where you want me to put that on, what website and everything you want me to put that on for you. And I'll be happy to set that up for you. And I'll be able to go back and forth with the creators to get that done as fast as possible. So look forward to helping you out with that, and I hope you enjoy the bonus.